Yeah. Who's a clever girl? Can you put the ducks in? Where are the ducks, Lily?
Oh God!
It's alright. You're in the right place. Yay, Lily! Where's the cow? Can you see the cow?
Cow.
Can you put the cow away? Hey.
Cow.
Cow. Thank you.
I love cow.
Well done.
Yeah, Lily.
Yay, Lily. Where's the chicken? The chicken's fallen out, Lily.
Chicken. Yeah.
You're so clever.
That.
Would you like another one? Let's do another one. Ready?